So you've got your A4 piece of paper in front of you. First thing you need to do is write your full name and your group on the back of that. Now on this side, you've got a few different things that you can use to draw around. So you've got your water pots you can draw around the bottom of, you can draw around the outside or the inside of your masking tape, and the little templates here. So make yourself a composition with about 3 circles. So I'm going to use all 3 of mine, and I'm just going to draw one around each one on my page. Like so. So I've done my 3 circles. Now I need to take my ruler. So now you need to draw lines across the page, okay, both ways, about a ruler width apart. So make sure your ruler is really, really straight along the top of your page. Okay, and that can go across your page now. You need to draw a line. So make sure you don't move your ruler while you're doing this, but don't bring that line into your circles. So that's why you need to make sure you keep your ruler really, really still. So now if I take that away, that's one straight line all the way across, but I haven't drawn on the inside of my circles. So now you need to do that all the way along your work. So just a ruler width apart all the way along until you get to the bottom. And now I can do that this way, so make sure you move your page as you go around it. Okay, so now I've got my circles and my squares in place. Now on each circle, I want to draw curved lines to make these look 3D. So think about what we've been doing in art in making our circles look 3D. So I'm going to join the lines up together now. So I'm going to go from top to bottom, and I'm going to curve that round because the curve of the Sophia goes round. And now you're also going to join it from side to side. And the same with this one. And then a curved line as well. So all you've done is join that line to that line, but you've done it with a curvy shape, thinking about your direction, so all your spheres look 3D. Now, you're going to colour this in using complementary colours. So as an example, I've got blue and orange here. So what you can do first is just mark very lightly which ones are going to be blue and which ones are going to be orange, okay, so that you don't get confused and make a mistake once you start to colour, because it's easily done. So you want to do it alternate, as if you're doing tiles. See, it's easy to get confused doing something like this. Okay, so you're better off doing all of your section all in one go. Now you can use shading techniques to make these look even more 3D. So if I start with this blue down here, okay, and I'm really going to define the edge of that sphere shape. And then I'm going to get lighter. So that's easing the pressure of my pencil, and I'm using a blending technique. So I've made that nice and dark, concentrated on my outlines first. And then I'm just going lighter as I get up to the middle. Okay, and you could do it around all those edges if you wanted to. And it creates a really interesting effect once you're finished. So now if you do this with every shape, you'll get something that looks like the outcome that's on the board. And that's how we're going to make our op art sphere outcomes.